January. Welcome to the new year! We're bringing it in, very colorful. Yes, it is so freaking cold outside here in Canada. So we are going to be playing with different electric color eyeliner looks. We're doing, and so our first video ever was showing how to use one eye paint for just a pop of electric color. But today we're going to be using 2 different color eye paints on each of our faces. Yeah, duo electric. Let's get started. So we saw a photo on Into the Gloss Instagram feed, which I saved a while ago, and it was really fun. It looks super editorial, so we're just gonna try it in real life, see how it looks. But it looks really fun. It's just like 2 different colors, use as liner on your eyes, just as accents. So we're doing one bright color underneath and a different bright color in the corner. Yeah. So to get started, we have our bases on, eyebrows drawn on. Just the usual. Yep, just the usual. I'm gonna be using a bright blue underneath and a bright yellow in the corner. I'm going to be using a bright pink eyeliner underneath my eye and then an orange in the corner. The products I'm using are Makeup Forever eye paint. First I'm using the M82 shade, which is this pink color. It's really fun. So I'm just going to be putting a bit on my liner brush and going underneath my eyelid. And the color I'm using underneath is this really fun electric blue from the famous Shu Moore palette that Greta got me. So this will be a bit of a softer since it's not a paint, and I'm going to put it underneath both my eyes using a liner brush. This is very vibrant. Man, these eye paints are so pigmented and so bright and so fun. It's like just what I need in this dismal weather. Yeah, I actually wanted to use a blue eye paint I have the Milk Makeup one, but I can't find it. So I'm using a powder, and a powder's nice if you want a bright color but you want a bit softer. The paint will generally very soft. Be a little less soft. So you'll get to see the 2 different versions. So I'm actually not going all the way to the corner of my eye because I am going to be putting orange there. So I'm just going to where my eyeball, my pupil starts, like right there. Over other eye. So this is like a really simple look, but I feel like it's super interesting and fun. Yeah, something different. And it's movable. Is that what you said? It's blendable? That's the one! It's movable. Blendable. I guess it means that's the same exactly thing. But if I make mistakes, I just go blah, blah, blah. Then I can make it perfect. Blue and pink. Okay, so now we're both adding a color to our inner corner. So now, since our first colors are done, we're going to be moving on to the next color. I'm using Makeup Forever in M70. It's this orange color. I'm using M40, which is a bright yellow. Just a little bit at the inner corner underneath and circling up. So I just kind of blend it into the pink. Oh no. Oh no. So just start with a little bit because like paints are very pigmented and can spread. It depends how intense you want it, but you can really... Today I'm feeling intense, so yeah. I want intense. We're kind of just doing an intense look, so we're putting it on pretty heavy. Ooh, this is so fun. So for the top, it's up to you. You can leave it blunt. I'm just kind of smudging it a bit at the end so it kind of fades. It's like, it reminds me of like a canary. Are canaries this color? Or some sort of tropical bird. Yeah, like a canary. Whoa! Whoa, I look crazy. Crazy fun. Kind of look like a vampire. Now we're gonna add mascara. Yep. Usual benefit mascaras. Like always, I'm using Roller Lash. Oh, my eyelashes nice and long. Get them sticking out to the sky. And before I do my lip, I'm gonna be using the Glossier highlighter in Quartz just for a bit of shiny shine. I'll add a bit of glow. I'm gonna use the Red Earth Secret Potion. It's a lovely water-based illuminating fluid, which just looks like really natural. I put this on so harsh, I was like, da, da, da. Oh, this is really nice. This is hydrating too. Because it has like a balm in the center. It's nice.
So we're gonna keep our lips pretty neutral since the color focuses really on our eyes.
Yep, so I'm gonna be using this little teeny weeny Benebalm, which is a Benefit balm. It's nice and it has a bit of a tint to it, like a little red tint, so I'm gonna just be putting that on my lips.
I'm gonna use one of the new Mattemoiselle Fenty lipsticks. This is, I've been looking for new nude, so I'm trying this one single. We'll see how it looks. It's like a warm peachy nude.
Also in the wintertime, I love wearing lip balm because I get so dry. So this is nice because it gives you just a bit of natural color to your lips.
And with this, I just put on the bottom and press my lips just for a thinner layer since the color is very focused on the eye.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's kind of peachy. Pulls the warmth from the yellow.
Exactly.
So yeah, that's our really simple graphic color, pop of color, duo color looks.
Yeah, I think it's super fun. It's actually really easy to do. I did
You look so
I did
cool.
2 colors instead of 1. Yeah, so
we hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you did, please like it below and subscribe to our channel because we'll be doing more fun looks like this one and that one and other ones.
We'll see you next time.
Bye!